Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Stories, Learn and Chill. Today, we will try something very special and very powerful for improving your English. It's called the shadowing technique. Shadowing means that I will speak slowly and clearly, and you will repeat after me with the same pronunciation, rhythm, and feeling. This method helps you build confidence, fluency, and natural speaking skills. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is a calm morning at school. The sky outside is soft and bright. Inside the classroom, everything feels quiet. Emma walks slowly to her desk. She puts her school bag down and takes a deep breath. She likes mornings at school. They feel peaceful. Her teacher, Mr. Lewis, enters the classroom with a warm smile. "Good morning, everyone," he says gently. "Good morning, Mr. Lewis," the class answers. Mr. Lewis claps his hands softly. "Today," he says, "we will learn something very important. We will learn how to talk about the time." Emma lifts her head. She is excited. She always wanted to understand the clock better. Mr. Lewis draws a big round clock on the board. He uses a blue marker for the hour hand and a red marker for the minute hand. He smiles and says, "Let's start with something easy." He points at the clock. When the minute hand is at 12, we say, "It's 7 o'clock." "It's 9 o'clock." It's simple and clear. Emma repeats softly, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock. She likes the sound. Mr. Lewis moves the red hand down to 6. When the minute hand is on 6, we say, "It's 8:30. For example, "It's 8:30. It's 2:30. Emma writes in her notebook, "Half-past equals 30 minutes. Next, Mr. Lewis draws the minute hand on the 3. This is 1/4. A quarter means 15 minutes. He says examples slowly. "It's 10:15. It's 5:15. Then he moves the hand to the 9. This is 1:45. It means 15 minutes before the next hour. Examples: "It's 6:45. It's 11:45. Emma smiles. It finally makes sense to her. Mr. Lewis gives more details. When the minutes are after the hour, we say after. Examples: "It's 10 minutes after 4. It's 20 minutes after 9. And when the minutes are before the next hour, we say to. Examples: "It's 20 minutes to 6. It's 5 minutes to 3. Emma repeats carefully. She enjoys the slow rhythm of the lesson. Mr. Lewis gives the class a small exercise. He draws a time on the board. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. The minute hand is on the 3. He asks, "Emma, what time is it?" Emma looks at the clock. She takes a breath. "It's 3:15. Mr. Lewis smiles. "Excellent." He draws another time. The minute hand is on the 9. Emma says, "It's 9:45. "Very good," says Mr. Lewis. "You're getting better." Mr. Lewis gives a small task. Write 5 sentences about your day and the times you do things. Emma writes, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 7:30. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I eat lunch at 12:15. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. She reads them softly. They sound clear and simple. When school ends, Emma walks home with her brother. She looks at her watch. It's 3 o'clock, she says. Her brother smiles. Look at you! You know the time now. Emma laughs softly. Yes, finally. She feels happy and confident. Learning the time was easier than she expected. She just needed someone to explain it slowly and calmly. And now she can read the clock everywhere, in the kitchen, at school, at the park, in the car. Great job! That was today's story, Emma and the Time. Now, let's do a quick review of the most important sentences from today's lesson. It's o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 8:30. It's 8:30. It's 8:30. It's 8:30. It's 15:15. It's 3:15. It's 15:15. It's 3:15. It's quarter to 7. It's quarter to 7. It's 10 minutes after 4. It's 20 minutes to 6. It's 10 minutes after 4. It's 20 minutes to 6. Great job today! If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more English stories and shadowing practice. See you in the next lesson. Bye!